All right. Wait, I'm just gonna check if this sounds good. Yeah, it sounds great. Um, so we have Forex Monday market open right here. Wait, I'm just gonna. Do y'all hear my computer? No, not right. No, I think we're good. Um, all right. So Monday New York session open, and we have swept liquidity on all time frames. But like we're making the move up right now, so I'll still take that as the liquidity sweep. But like I'm gonna have to fix my computer. Hopefully y'all don't hear this shit. Like it's super annoying. So I'm looking for a breakout structure on the 5 minute at least, and then another 5 or 15 minute confluence. We have news at 16, manufacturing PMI. That could that could end up volatility like make the market move a bit, but we'll see. I don't really have one that I prefer trading on right now. Possibly this, because this doesn't have news at 16, but um, and we could sweep or break structure right there. I think not this one, no, but that's also 4 hour lows that we swept. So I'm more looking into trading this one. And today I'll actually follow my trading plan and not trade with a breakout structure. Or sorry, not trade with a invalidation of a fair value gap and just breakout structures. So yeah, all the time frames making a move up after sweeping liquidity. And this is probably going to be my take profits. Um, this one as well, because we made like not equalized, but kind of similar highs. So yeah, pretty good action right now. Still 30 seconds left. We won't break any or invalidate any fair value gaps. Does it look like at least right now? But a lot can happen in 20 seconds. I don't think we have that. No, we don't have a lot of liquidity sweeps underneath. Wait, I'll be right back. My friend's calling. Alright, I'm back. I just got a call from my friend. Um, right, so making some legs down, another opportunity to break structure on the 5 minute, not creating a fair value gap on the 15 minute, which is kind of good. Damn, we might have to, if you don't come up here in the next 50 minutes, 52, I'll set a take profit right there if we don't get a good risk reward till that, like maybe winter right there. Ooh, that's, I don't know, we'll see. Um, Kind of the same situations on both of these time frames, or pairs, my bad. Alright, creating a bearish candle. Um, Now we could sweep liquidity, or sorry, bro, I'm tired. Break structure. Not creating any bearish candles on the other time frames though. So kind of consolidating. This one, actually getting over the Fairweather gap, and not this one. getting some bearish rejections out of the 5-minute fair value gap. We also have this bullish fair value gap, but I don't really care about it. Alright, breaking or invalidating this fair value gap, I still want, and create this BPR, I still want a breaker structure before I enter a trade. So getting pushes up again, hopefully invalidating that fair value gap, but we'll still see. Probably no, we won't invalidate that for value gap. Creating a bearish candles, we could break structure. Almost breaking structure right here. Yeah, not invalidating, and yeah, right now pretty much stuck in that position or yeah area. So we'll maybe invalidate the fair value gap. We will still see. It's still 50 seconds left. Right, no invalidation yet, or breaker structure. Low-key, if we break, chill, let me just, low-key, because we hit equilibrium and hidden fair value gap, that could potentially be one. And if we need to, so if we actually break structure and everything here, I will consider entering, because we have already like touched into fair value gap and equilibrium. Alright, great push up. Now we can safely confirm that we have broken structure. It would be nice to see us get down here into the BPR, and we might break structure here as well. To the BPR, potentially equilibrium, probably. Yeah, that lies within equilibrium. Stops underneath those lows and take profit, like final take profit. That could this could actually be a good trade. The only thing that annoys me or concerns me, or how you now say it, is news at 16 or 4 p.m. Otherwise, not really anything that stands in the way. No breaker structure before, but now we might break structure actually. Just gonna see 5, 4, 6. Now I won't be entering off of breaker structure or invalidation. And we get no breaker structure right here, not yet at least, still 1 minute 30 seconds left. ISM factory, I wanna see how actually big that news is. ISM. Let's see. Was the last one 3rd of September? Let's go back to 3rd, November, October, September. Manufacturing. Let's go back to 3rd of September and see how much it actually affected. November, October. Bro, where's the charts? Here we go. Still in October. They were September 3rd September at 6 or 4 p.m. again. This candle. Wait, let me just like that real quick. And where are we? November? Bro, like why did it move so much? Are you kidding me? There we go. Let's actually see. Alright, it did affect, but not that much. Did this? Yeah, that's not really a lot. A lot of volatility. Alright, no break of structure. Seems like we'll go back down. But like now, I really want, like if we get down here and then a push up, I'll probably enter even though we don't have a breaker structure, because that's such a good setup. Here we do get a breaker structure, which is great, really good. Hopefully coming down, like we have equilibrium, or we could form equilibrium. Bro, yeah. Like we're pushing down now. Hopefully we could break structure before we get a rejection. I'll potentially actually enter. Could that? No, no way. This shit just ripping. Creating big legs up. Entering this 15-minute for value gap. This isn't moving that much. We're in this big fair value gap. Equilibrium. My stop, like it will be underneath those lows. This could be decent. So we barely touch it, but we didn't feel any 50% mark or something, so. Alright, stopping right here, creating this 5 minute fair value gap right within this. If we actually create a fair value gap, within the 15-minute fair value gap as well. So actually, I forgot that we actually have breaker block, a breaker block, or sorry, order block here as well, breaker block from this candle. So a lot of confluences, basically every single confluence if we get down here. Right, so we might, we'll see, but doesn't look like we'll create a bearish candle. No, we don't. Um, Still potential this candle, and we do form this fair value gap on top of that. So a lot of confluences right now for us to go to the, oh shit, filling out this fair value gap and the breaker, or no, sorry, breaker block and equilibrium. And this is not doing anything. For me, this is the one that looks the best because we broke structure. Alright, pushing down into the order block and for value gap. Alright, filling the fair value gap and breaker block and order block. Hopefully coming down to these lows as well. Like I would probably put my stop loss right there. If we end up pushing up right now. Alright, so 1 minute left. If we push out of this, I'll enter. I'm not sure where to place my stop loss though. Probably right there. Like I don't know. Either right there. We'll see. What's this GBP JPY? Um, that's what is it? 23. Damn, that's a lot. 23, 24, 17. 17, yeah. That's probably gonna be my stop loss underneath equilibrium, value gap, everything. Yeah, right. No rejection, or no, at least no green candle out of it. Still a pretty huge wick. Hopefully, at least taking out at least will at least take out equilibrium. Would be really good. I don't care if we invalidate the first fair value gap. I'll still enter. Alright, this isn't doing anything right now. Invalidate this BPR. And this isn't doing anything either. I won't be entering. on neither of those, I don't think, at least, because they have news at 16. This one doesn't, and this has a lot better setup for me, for a guy like me. So yeah, I would love price to seek out this area, and then I would hopefully, if we get a rejection like right there, these would be my stops, and that would be my take profit, first take profit at least. Alright, into the fair value gap, the other fair value gap. We could potentially push up from here, and then this would be my entry. I would still enter. But I would like a close like in here, and then a bullish rejection, and a bullish candle. So actually reaching into equilibrium, not the 50% mark, but doesn't matter to me because we have a lot of other confluences. Alright, into 50%, the 50% mark. This could actually be the perfect trade. Right, so we do invalidate this fair value gap. Still within equilibrium and the fair value gap and oh shit, my bad. Probably the breaker block as well. So a push up from here would mean that I would enter. So still 4 minutes left. I won't be entering off of a 1 minute push up though. Oh shit, this one actually getting some movement after this shit. Shit, my bad. This is the one we were trading. So getting back, um, getting some pushes back. Still 1.5 minute left, so. Mm, hopefully pushing out 30 seconds left. This is probably going to be a take profit. We'll see about that though. We'll see if we even enter this trade. It's a 24, so that would be 17, yeah. Plus that 0.5, yeah. Oh. So no push out. We did push out of the 5 minute equilibrium. Um, not out of the fair value gap, and not out of none of the breaker blocks or order blocks. So I won't enter yet. A push out of equilibrium, or sorry, the fair value gap will make me enter. I guess we pushed into equilibrium on for these lows, like 15 minute lows. Maybe get maybe getting rejections out of the fair value gap now. We did touch the other equilibrium. Right, 7 seconds, 5 seconds. We'll see. Oh, no rejections. Um, yeah, seems like we will push out right now. Now I could possibly be willing to enter off of a, if we push out on the 1 minute and invalidates this rally gap on the 1 minute, potentially, or not actually, we'll wait for a breaker structure on the 1 minute. If we found one, if we end up finding one, I'll enter. Probably I'll see like how price is moving, but no, I'll enter off of a rejection, not a breaker structure. Alright, so bit unsure if we'll push out of the fair value gap on this candle too. We certainly didn't fill out this like we did. We created a 1 hour fair value gap, so this will be my first take profit, and it looks like we won't break or push out of this fair value gap just yet. I'll see what my that would be a 1 to 1.5, decent, pretty decent. Alright, so no push out yet. Oh shit, I didn't realize we did. Oh no, we didn't tap into this fair value gap. Looks like we'll probably break or invalidate the fair value gap right here, but we'll see. Alright, so we end up not invalidating the fair value gap again. Um, yeah, still waiting mm, for a rejection out of it. Yeah, looking like we'll break or invalidate the fair value gap right here. Even break structure on the to the downside. Yeah. Still a minute left. We could break out of the, like, if we end up bullish, we will have hit 15-minute equilibrium, end up bearish. On top of that, hit this 5-minute fair value gap, and yeah, so it depends a lot. If we end up bearish this candle or like end up here, I'll enter, but yeah, no, I'm kind of sure we won't. I am happy though that I didn't enter a trade, because I would have lost. Yeah, we'll definitely break this and invalidate and break structure, invalidate that shit, invalidate that shit. But that shit, yeah, I'll hop off for today actually, cause we have news in 45 minutes and we're not doing anything. We might want to seek out these lows that are marked out. Mm, I'll still have the drawings up though, but I won't enter a trade. Yeah. Thank y'all for watching. Love and appreciate y'all. Bye.